You like your birthday cake, Minion? Which one,
It's the
dude?
movie we're gonna watch.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's better also to buy that one. Okay?
No, like, we need to know what's inside it.
Yeah, we have to ask. Come on, ask the girl. Use your best English. You want mama to English?
Yeah.
Are you deciding na? Are you deciding what
Yeah.
cake you want to buy? But you have to ask what is inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, hi. Because it's your minion, ano?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get that one. Okay? Okay? With her at the bonbons. Ay, sorry. Okay, let's buy na? Ah? Okay? Yummy? Delicious? Okay. This is only Jamel, a simple celebration with his close friends, JC, Axel, Loka, but Braden is not here. Braden is absent.
He is.
He is sick. Yeah. Okay. You light up my life. Okay. Are you ready to sing, dudes? Alright. Okay. Oh, you are the leader. Daddy. Okay, Moana. Hold Moana, Dad. No. Never mind. Moana is sleeping. She gonna get upset. You go sit down there. Sit down there beside you. Okay. You are the leader of the band, Daddy. You sing. You. Happy birthday. Sing, boys. How are you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jimel. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray. Hip hip. Hip hip. Okay. Blow the candle. Hoy! That's very quick. One more. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's it. Okay. Yeah, it's Minion. Nice one. Okay, open now the pizza. I know you're hungry, the hungry people. Oh, Axel is already eating. Axel, you already ate. Okay, eat na, Luca. Put it away that one, anak, before okay? So, here's all the... And JC is full. Okay. Jimel, put it all here, the candle na, please. Okay. So, JC. Okay, Axel is wearing blue. Oh, that's for you. And the Coke. And JC is wearing white. Oh, see, it's color coding. And Christoph is wearing... Okay. That's for you. And Janelle love pink color. And Luca, of course, yellow. There you are. Open the Sesame Street. Ay, sorry. Okay, which flavor you want, dude? There's two kinds of flavor of the pizza. Dandararan. Okay, come on, attack, guys. Attack before you going to cinema. They're gonna watch the Minion, the Despicable Me. That's why the cake of Jamel he chose is a Despicable Me. That's it. Oh yeah, as usual, Jamel, crush for Cristo, please. That's it. Yeah. Daddy. JC, you are not eating. You are full. Are you sure 100%?
Yeah, we went to the Costco.
Okay. Yeah, that's why you're not hungry. Anyway, you're gonna have popcorn there in the cinema. They're going to MCT to watch the Despicable Me. Enjoy, really? But you just want to be with Jamel. Yeah, that's why. You just want to support. Yeah. Oy, crust, Jamel, can you give some Christoph? Sorry for Christoph. Give him a crust na. You know, he only eats crust. Your brother. Okay, JC, you want to go in the bedroom now to play? Or, okay, that's good.
I started singing happy birthday for myself.
When?
Now, when everyone was singing.
You have to say happy birthday to B. Yeah? How's the pizza? Still pizza taste. Okay, so last year, Axel, no, there's a 6 and JC is not Because you are not friends with Jamel before. Yeah, so, but you know who is Imer and Billy.
All those Minecraft kids.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You still remember. So, kahapon nga, nagpunta kami sa Waverly Garden Shopping Center para mamili ng kanyang cake. Kasi nga, birthday na niya at excited siyang kunin yung Minion kasi manonood nga sila kasama yung mga close friends niya ng Despicable Me sa MCT at excited na siya para bukas at ayan na nga, kanta ng happy birthday, blow the candles, ganon. Simple lang ang gusto ng anak ko. Ayaw na daw niya mag-party-party kasi daw big boy na siya. 30 na nga naman, 'di ba? Ayan lang kasimple ang gusto ng anak ko mangyari sa birthday niya. Yung isa niyang kaibigan hindi dumating kasi nga nagkasakit. Ayan. So, happy naman sila at excited na sila manood ng movie today kasama ang daddy nila. Ayan, at yung brother niya na si Christoph, excited. Ayan na yung cake, o naka-smile sa akin. Kaya yan. Kung ano ang gusto ng anak ko sa birthday niya, ay suportahan ko. Okay na rin na walang party para yan lang less hassle, less stress. Kunti lang yung mga bisita, yan lang talaga ang gusto niyang makasama sa araw ng birthday niya. Hope you enjoy watching.